Hello home bakers and welcome to Dr. Mummy Cakes. This is one of my easy cake decorating tutorials where I show you how to create masterpiece cakes just like this. Easy cake decorating at home. And today I'll be showing you how I made this superhero cake for a lovely boy's 6th birthday. So I've built up the cake, done a crumb coating, and I've used acrylic disc to stack the cake. I'll put links of full tutorial if you don't know how to create the cake like this. So you want to watch this first and create and build your cake. Now I'm using edible food paint in gold and painting an abstract design on the cake. There is a tutorial where I show you how to make edible food paint and more on this. So click on the link shown at the top of your screen. Now I wanted to cover the board and have a futuristic type design. So I am putting a layer of my buttercream. I've used a dark coloured buttercream, a brown coloured. And the reason I'm putting buttercream onto the cake board is that it's going to act like the glue. So when I put stuff on it, it's going to stick it to the cake board. And that's an important tip. If you want to stick things down on your cake board, using some of your buttercream acts as a good glue. So here I've just added some digestive biscuit crumbs, which I have dyed a black colour to match with the colour scheme. And I'm just going to cover the cake board with this. It's a simple way of decorating your cake board and giving your cakes a wow factor. There are lots of ways that you can do this, and I'd like to try and find innovative and nice ways to decorate my cake board. So rather than a plain, boring old cake board, I have a more fancy cake board. So this is very easy to do. There are lots of ideas that you could do. You could cover it with fondant. Check out the link for my fondant decorating tutorials for this. And I'm just neatening things and making it look nice. And you can see that that fits in very well with the theme that I'm going for. So here's the cake. It's starting to come together very nicely and looking very lush. Next, I'm going to be sticking some sprinkles onto the cake. The easiest way to put sprinkles onto your cake is to put it onto a cake that has softened a little bit, and you literally just press it into the buttercream and it should stick. Try not to do this if the cake is too hard, as it will be very difficult to get it to stick. If you have larger sprinkles or other decoration that are not staying, then again buttercream is a great glue. Just add a tiny dab of buttercream onto the sprinkle or the cake decoration and it should stick nicely to your cake. Again, this fits in with the gold paint that I've used. There are lots of different sprinkles out there that you can use. Sprinkles is another great way to use to decorate and jazz up your cakes. And voila, here is our finished cake. And the last step is my favourite step, adding the finishing touches. Especially for kids' birthday cakes, I like to use figurine decorations to decorate my cake. It's perfect if you're not very skilled at making realistic or detailed fondant decoration. Why not just buy toys and use it to decorate your cake? That way you'll have realistic looking decoration, and it also serves as an extra bonus that the kids can play with the toys afterwards. So it's like a lasting memento from the birthday. So these didn't cost me too much, and again you'll see that I'm using buttercream as a nice glue to stick it onto the surfaces and just pressing it gently into the cake so it sticks. And voila, look at the cake. Very nice, very detailed, and instantly you can see that this is an Avengers superhero cake, and the birthday boy is absolutely going to love it. For the crowning of the cake, I've put in a ready-made fondant topper, which is so easy to make. I have a tutorial where I show you exactly how to make this fondant decoration, so check out the link showing up at the top of your screen or in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe. I post a new video every Wednesday. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. Thank you. Bye. Happy baking.